Dzień dobry. Jak masz na imię? Boulet. Welcome to Sketch the World Katowice. Alright, I'm in Katowice, Poland. I got my list of phrases here. So, Dzień dobry. Would be like good afternoon. And dziękuję. Thank you. So, Poland. Let's sketch this. This is Boulet. Hello from Katowice. How did I wander this far? Oh yeah, I remember. One long plane ride, lots of walking, and a couple of buses. No sleep, lots of kebabs, hella art. I'm in motherfucking Poland. It's beautiful, huh? It's kind of beautiful here. Is Katowice, Poland another one of the Goldilocks cities? It's possible. Look how beautiful and quiet and peaceful it is here. The main centrum is just back that way, about 10-minute walk. So, not too big, not too small, just right. Katowice.